Intoxication, when considered under the law, is considered A. Alternative circumstance, B. Maladaptive behavior, C. Delinquent act, D. Antisocial behavior. Answer A. Alternative circumstance. In substance abuse, what is the scientific name of the tobacco plant? A. Nicotino tabacum, B. Nicotiana tabacum, C. Nicotiano tobacco, D. Tobacco nicotino. Answer B. Nicotiana tabacum. What is the addictive substance or chemical contained in tobacco cigarettes? A. Tar, B. Carbon monoxide, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Nicotine. Answer D. Nicotine. This act is known as the Vaporized Nicotine and Non-Nicotine Products Regulation Act. A. RA number 11600, B. RA number 11700, C. RA number 11800, D. RA number 11900. Answer D. RA number 11900. Every device which is self-propelled and every vehicle which is propelled by electric power obtained from overhead trolley wires but not operated upon rails. A. Skating, B. Bicycle, C. Tricycle, D. Motor vehicles. Answer D. Motor vehicles. Hypothetical means A. Temporary, B. Exaggerated, C. Probable, D. Assumed. Answer D. Assumed. A public officer or employee, when not being authorized by judicial order, shall enter a dwelling against the will of the owner thereof, committing A. Legal entry, B. Violation of domicile, C. Illegal entry, D. Abatement. Answer B. Violation of domicile. Any act that would remove or naturalize a fire hazard. A. Allotment, B. Combustion, C. Distillation, D. Abatement. Answer D. Abatement. It is the investigator's responsibility to ensure that every precaution is exercised to preserve physical evidence in the state in which it was recovered or obtained until it is released to the evidence custodian. A. Tagging of evidence, B. Evaluation of evidence, C. Preservation of evidence, D. Releasing evidence. Answer C. Preservation of evidence. Trial is allowed only after arraignment, and the accused may waive his right to appear at the trial except when his presence is required for purposes of identification. This is the principle of trial in A. Substitution, B. Absentia, C. Reassignment, D. Ordeal. Answer B. Absentia.